Ever thought about visiting Kinshasa, Congo? Get ready to be swept off your feet by this electrifying city bursting at the seams with culture, history, and natural beauty. Nestled on the banks of the mighty Congo River, Kinshasa is a city that never sleeps, a city that hums with energy and vibrancy. This city is a heady mix of traditional and contemporary, where bustling markets coexist with modern skyscrapers, where the rhythm of Congolese music blends seamlessly with the roar of the river. In this video, we're going to take you on a whirlwind tour of Kinshasa, uncovering its hidden gems and showcasing its must-visit spots. From the tranquil beauty of Vallée to the fascinating wildlife at Lola Ya Bonobo and Kinshasa Zoo, from the mesmerizing artworks at Académie des Beaux-Arts de Kinshasa to the rich history preserved at the National Museum, we've got it all covered. Ready to discover the gems of Kinshasa? Keep watching. First up on our list is Vallée, a haven of nature in the city. This lush green reservoir of serenity is nestled amidst the bustling city of Kinshasa. It's a place that invites you to slow down, to breathe, and to connect with nature. With its numerous hiking trails, Vallée offers a thrill for those with an adventurous spirit. Each trail is a journey of discovery, leading you through a myriad of flora and fauna and revealing breathtaking views of the city. But it's not all about hiking. Vallée also boasts delightful picnic spots. Imagine sitting under the shade of a sprawling tree, a gentle breeze rustling the leaves as you enjoy a meal amidst the chirping of birds. It's a scene straight out of a storybook. To top it all off, the panoramic views of Kinshasa from Vallée are simply unparalleled. A perfect spot for nature lovers and adventurers alike, Vallée is a must-visit. Next on our list is the Lola Ya Bonobo and Kinshasa Zoo, a delight for wildlife enthusiasts. Lola Ya Bonobo, colloquially known as Paradise for Bonobos, is not only a sanctuary but also a unique place of love and care for these fascinating creatures. The sanctuary is home to orphaned bonobos, providing them a safe haven while also educating visitors about their importance in our ecosystem. On the other hand, Kinshasa Zoo, one of the oldest zoos in Africa, is a treasure trove of diverse wildlife. From majestic lions to vibrant peacocks, it offers a glimpse into the continent's rich biodiversity. The zoo's commitment to conservation and education makes it a must-visit. Both these places offer a unique window into the world of African wildlife, providing unforgettable experiences that will leave you with a deeper appreciation for these remarkable creatures. If you love wildlife, these are two spots you can't miss. For those with a love for art and history, the Académie des Beaux-Arts and National Museum are a must-visit. Dive into the heart of Congo's artistic prowess at the Académie des Beaux-Arts de Kinshasa. This prestigious institution, the oldest art school in Central Africa, is not just a breeding ground for creative talent, but also an art lover's paradise. Exhibiting a vibrant collection of contemporary African art, the Académie's gallery showcases the dynamic and diverse artistic expressions that define Congolese culture. Just a stone's throw away, the National Museum of the Democratic Republic of the Congo stands as a testament to the country's rich history. Housing over 40,000 artifacts, the museum tells the tale of Congo's journey from prehistory to modern times. From intricate tribal masks to ancient pottery, each exhibit offers a glimpse into the country's past and its cultural heritage. A true feast for the eyes and the mind, these spots are a must for culture vultures. Next, we have the Notre Cathedral and Marché de la Liberté, two iconic landmarks of Kinshasa. The Notre Cathedral, a majestic monument to faith, stands tall amidst the city's hustle and bustle. Its stunning architectural design, a fusion of traditional and modern elements, is a testament to the city's rich history and its continual evolution. The cathedral is not just a place of worship, but also a beacon of hope and a symbol of Kinshasa's resilient spirit. On the other hand, the Marché de la Liberté, or Liberty Market, is a vibrant hub of local life. Here, the air buzzes with the energy of local vendors selling everything from fresh produce to traditional crafts. The market is a riot of colors and scents, offering a sensory feast that gives visitors a taste of the city's dynamic culture and community. These two spots provide a wonderful glimpse into the heart and soul of Kinshasa. Last but not least, we have the breathtaking Livingstone Falls and the vibrant Centre Culturel Français. Livingstone Falls, named after the famous explorer David Livingstone, are a sight to behold. A series of massive rapids on the lower course of the Congo River, they offer a spectacle that's both powerful and serene. The roar of water cascading over rocks, the mist rising from the river, and the surrounding lush greenery all contribute to an experience that is truly awe-inspiring. But Kinshasa isn't just about natural beauty. It's also a city of culture, and there's no better place to experience this than at the Centre Culturel Français. This hub of francophone culture hosts a variety of events, from art exhibitions to theatre performances, live music to film screenings. It's a place where creative minds meet and ideas come to life, offering a unique glimpse into the city's vibrant artistic scene. Whether you're a nature enthusiast or a culture lover, these two spots have something for you. Finally, we have the Bonobo Conservation Initiative, a place that's all about preserving the environment and its inhabitants. This initiative is a beacon of hope, standing tall amidst the lush greenery of the Congo, tirelessly working towards the protection of the unique and endangered bonobo apes. As we step into the heart of this initiative, we delve into the world of these fascinating creatures, learning about their intriguing social structures, their peaceful nature, and the crucial role they play in maintaining the biodiversity of the Congo Basin. You'll gain insight into the efforts taken to rescue and rehabilitate these apes and the research conducted to better understand their behavior and needs. But it's not just about observing and learning. The initiative also provides opportunities for visitors to actively contribute to the cause, be it through volunteering, adopting a bonobo, or supporting their various conservation projects. A visit to the Bonobo Conservation Initiative is a chance to learn, contribute, and make a difference. And that's our list of the top places to visit in Kinshasa. We've taken a virtual journey together, haven't we? From the serene greenery of Vallée to the energetic and bustling Marché de la Liberté, each location has its unique charm and allure. Let's take a moment to reminisce. We started at Vallée, a peaceful haven away from the city's rush. Then we ventured into Lola Ya Bonobo and Kinshasa Zoo, where the wild and wonderful creatures of Congo greeted us with their distinct personalities. Next, we immersed ourselves in the vibrant art scene at the Académie des Beaux-Arts de Kinshasa and delved into the rich history of Congo at the National Museum. The Notre Cathedral was a testament to the city's architectural grandeur, and the bustling Marché de la Liberté gave us a taste of local life in Kinshasa. We then embraced the natural beauty of Livingstone Falls, and the Centre Culturel Français offered us a glimpse into the fusion of Congolese and French cultures. Lastly, we ended our journey with the inspiring work being done at the Bonobo Conservation Initiative. Each of these places tells a story, a unique narrative of Kinshasa's spirit, its vibrant culture, and its resilient people. But remember, these are just glimpses into what Kinshasa has to offer. There's so much more to explore, to experience, and to discover in this beautiful city. So, are you ready to pack your bags and set off on your own adventure? Are you ready to make your own memories? To weave your own stories in the tapestry of Kinshasa's vibrant culture and history? Well, we hope we've inspired you to do just that. Kinshasa is waiting for you, ready to unfold its many wonders before your eyes. As we conclude this journey, we invite you to continue exploring, to keep seeking, and to always stay curious. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Saffron Seekers for more travel guides and tips. Happy travels!